Hi, Nick Richmond, Matrix Home Solutions. We're here at another amazing basement by Matrix. I'm going to show you how the little things don't make the little difference. Little things make all the difference. What I mean by that is the details of the space and how those details make it pop. It's important that you never underestimate how the entry makes such an impact to the finished space. This stairwell is amazing. Just the details behind it, the accent wall, the shiplap, the chair rail. We didn't leave any stone unturned. We made it so that when you come down into this space, you know you're coming down to a really fun atmosphere. When we come out to give a homeowner a consultation for basement finishing, we start by measuring out the footprint of the entire foundation, and then we draw inside of that space to understand where's the living room going to be, where's the bar going to go if we're going to build a bar, where might we put a bathroom or a fitness room or an office. And we start to just get the general footprint, the layout of the space. And then from there, we're able to give the homeowner an accurate and detailed proposal on what it takes to build out the shell of that basement. From there, we draw through our architectural team a set of engineered plans that we take back to the homeowner to conduct what we call our technical review. Usually a few weeks after the initial consultation, we come back with a set of renderings and a set of plans, and we walk back through that space again with the homeowner. Kind of like when you're building a house. You have a footprint, you have a starting point, but as you go along, you start to tweak and massage the plan. Maybe it means you're adding in lighting, or you're adding in light fixtures, or you're upgrading the hardware, or you're putting in some design elements that weren't a part of the initial plan. At Matrix, we do take the time to work with our homeowners through that process so that when we finish the space, it's a space they're gonna love. And you're gonna see those details in this space. I'm gonna walk you through some of those changes we made. Again, from the initial concept to what we built, there was a lot of collaboration with the homeowner. I'd like to walk you through some of the examples of the changes that we made here to this space as we went through our technical review process and our selections process. Again, when we come out for a consultation, you cannot in that initial visit make all the decisions, such as what kind of hardware, what style of doors and trim, what choice for countertops. All that has to get worked through as we work together getting you to the finished product. So just looking just in this space as an example, just what we did with the columns alone, you see the detail here. The homeowner wanted to carry the look and feel of their upstairs downstairs so it doesn't feel like a basement, it feels like another level of living space. And so if you look at the home upstairs, they have a lot of nice detailing. The shiplap, the chair rail, some of the colors that you see here in this space. So we carried that through. Some builders may just build around your column with a square column wrap or one of those hex wraps that snap over the column. Whereas here you see what we did is we added in the chair rail element, gave it a little bit of dimension, even a little bit of crown at the top, and that may not seem like a big deal, and it really isn't, but that little change alone does give this a totally different feel. It looks much more elegant. Another example of the changes that are made typically from concept to what we actually build is lighting. Lighting is very, very important. And you can see here that the homeowner decided to add in these additional puck lights, as well as burying some of their sound system into the wall rather than having the speakers mounted to the wall, which you see more often than not, which is more of an afterthought. You know, we did this in conjunction with the construction of the space. These puck lights, as an example, dimming them down when you're watching a movie, when you're having a theater night here, I think is a nice touch to this space. When working with most contractors, I've learned one thing for sure: they have a lack of patience. Matrix has a lot of patience. We hold the homeowner's hand through all of the careful selections they have to make. This space really shows that. When you look around at this bar or that bathroom, what you're going to see is that our design team took careful consideration in choosing the countertop, the paint colors, the hardware colors, the color of the light fixture. And we sat down with the homeowner and we sat all these items out on a table to make sure the palette came together in a way that was timeless, that was transitional to match the style of the rest of the house. And that's exactly what you see here is a beautiful outcome. Thank you for coming with me on this tour of this amazing space. If you like what you saw here, please like and subscribe to our social media platforms. This space is about 1,000 square foot of living space, which may not seem like a lot. We packed a lot into this space. It's like an apartment down here. Matrix is not the nation's largest basement remodeler for just any reason. It's because we do more for the homeowner than any other basement company in America. We use thoughtful materials that are designed to last a lifetime in a below-grade space. We take the customer through a full-blown design build process. We provide financing if the customer is in need of that. We oversee the process from start to finish so that you truly have another level of living space that you can love for a lifetime and that's what makes us different. So if you're thinking of finishing your basement, please give us the opportunity. Thank you and have a great day.